So this is more of a given direction type of video. Like I'm not going to be going over a whole lot other than if you missed something, just telling you kind of what we're doing. So you need to open up your Chromebook and the existing spreadsheet that we've been working on. The past few days, we've looked at the roller coaster examples. Here, we're going to look at the other two pages at the bottom, the political party one and the degree one. And all I want you to do is this is also grade. I want you to bring your device to me so I can grade it when you're done. I want you to format everything, create a two-way table, and also create a column chart that has been formatted and nice and looks professional. So make sure you have titles on those. You change the title. You don't leave the title as frequency table or whatever you call it or car type. Like you need to let that table represent or that bar chart represent what it actually is talking about. So if I took away the data, I know what your chart is referring to. So yours should look something like this when you're done. So this would be like for the gender, and you need to answer those questions that go along with it. So those questions are from your notes. So you need to make a table like that by going to Insert, and then I believe it's Drawing, and then you put a text box, and then you can type those questions in there from your notes. But you would need to answer those. So here is my gender one, and here is my degree one. Now, I will say, if you're kind of curious, like to me, this data doesn't look very good because it looks like they're pretty much almost equal in a lot of respects. Like, uh, but I used a random generator here, so it and I did it however many times, so it kind of randomly gave me some. And if you look, there was 1,000, I think, people on this one, or 999. And we talked about that law of large numbers. The more time you do something, like if I'm randomly generating this just to collect data, then those should kind of all equal out. When all reality, you're probably not going to have that many people that have doctorates that have like a bachelor's degree. That number should probably be less, just because not as many people do that. But whenever I made this data, and I did that by just assigning, just doing a random generator. So it would give me random bachelor, doctorate, masters, and professionals to just give me some data to work with. So, anyways, the data is not real. It's just auto generated. In case you are wondering. Okay, so that is what we are working on today. In case you missed in class.